Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
अणजुणा घरात घुसून घर खाली करपाक लाविल्ल्याच्या प्रकरणात मुख्य दुबावीत जनार्दन खोराटेक म्हापसा एडिशनल सेशन कोर्टाचो जामीन. अटक करताना पुलिसांनी सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या निर्देशाचे पालन करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान खोराटेक जामीन.
Mapsa Additional Sessions Court has granted bail to the prime accused in Anjuna Forceful House Eviction case, namely Janardan Khorate, on the personal bail bond of 15,000 rupees. The court has also directed Janardan Khorate to appear before the investigation officer for 2 days. The court in the order has observed that arrest of Janardan Khorate was illegal because grounds for arrest was not provided to him before the arrest, which is mandated by the Supreme Court. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.